Oh boy, I goofed up on this. Before I start today's video, you may have something in the viewing part of this video. I went to adjust my stabilizer, my gimbal stabilizer, and my stupid butt put it on backwards. So right here is the main part of the gimbal, which is right below the viewing lens. Yeah, so if it gets in there, I'm sorry. I would like to say it's an amateur mistake, but I'm not an amateur. Yeah, and my dog is pulling me. Today we are somewhere we've been before. We are here at Gladys, nope. I almost said Gladys Russell. Oh my gosh, I think I better get my brain screwed on tight. We're here at Roman's Wildlife Refuge. Why do I bring you guys back here today? Well, we're fixing to tell you. Now, my son Dame's with me. My wife is not. She's working. And we have Kit on here. Yes, which I'm going to show Kit in a little bit. And I just hope I don't get that bar. I hope I don't get the part of the gimbal in the shot. See, I'm hoping right now that's not in the shot. So, guys, let's get a little bit of beauty. Let's get Kit pulling me. Yeah, he's pulling my arm off. And I'll tell you why I'm here today. Okay, forward. Yeah, he's just being very brand new. He always is when we get to a location that he kind of knows or doesn't know. But let me turn the camera up a little bit. Whoop, wrong way. There we go. Straighten it up a little bit. Amateur moves here. There we go. Let's walk on back to the pond. I may be a little bit in the shade because walking back through here is very shady from the sun. This place I'm at right now, Roman's Wildlife Refuge, was advertised on one of our local news stations just the other day. I've said it before, I say it again. Definitely now, our little secret's out. Our little secret's definitely out now. Thanks to it being on the news, I can't say for certainty, but my brother's wife, Donna, came up here recently and hiked the trails. I'm thinking she learned it off the news. A lot of people learned this place is here recently off the news. What gets me was, a lot of things gets me about that, yes. They didn't mention anything about Gladys Russell, which is just right up the road up that way, which has a really mighty fine lake. Yes, their hiking trails need a lot of work. Oh God, do they ever. And they also need to rename them. But no, in the news it says if you need a place to go, this is out of Cincinnati news, by the way. Yes, that's our local news here. Where I live is through Cincinnati. They say if you want a place to go on a weekend to get out of the city life, enjoy yourself on some trails, brand new trails, which they wasn't wrong about that, they are new. Told them to come here. Oh, I do believe they might have cut down the shrubbery. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. We're here at the pond, which they're calling a lake. I always called it a pond. Beautiful, isn't it? This is one of the things that caught my eye, my wife's eye, when we found this place a couple years ago. And that's before anybody knew about it. We will get to that before the video's out. But yes, they're telling if you need to come to a place, get out of the city for a while, by all means. Yes, they should. And they do have brand spanking new hiking trails now. Excuse me. Oh, I think my allergies are kicking in. Brand new hiking trails. This place is phenomenal. But it did crack me up. They mentioned nothing about the other wildlife refuge. Was just a couple miles up the road that way. Will I be fishing here this summer? More than likely, maybe, I don't know. It's hard to say. It really does surprise me there's not a lot of fisher people here right now. A lot of fishermen. It could be because the shrubbery's all grown up. Last year they did have all that cut down. I am so kicking myself in the butt for messing this up, yeah. To be fair, my defense, I was kind of rushing it, putting it on. I want to get out of here because rain is upon us, and we could get rained on. I wouldn't say any minute, but it can happen. We just had a little good old shower before we came. But yeah, Lake Filljoy is what that's called. That is the people's last name that donated the property to Dearborn County. And Dearborn County, when they received the property, it was just within about a week or two is when my wife and I found it. And we got out here, and I told the story many times, like, what? I don't see no wildlife refuge. Then we seen that opening coming back here. It was like, oh, let's travel it. We wasn't sure if we was trespassing or not. Then we came back here and seen this beautiful, I better call it a lake, and I fell in love immediately. Then we kept coming up. We ventured back into them woods multiple times, way before they were trails. And then we noticed they was marking them out to put trails in, and we're still venturing back in there. Stormy was with us. And then, I think it was end of last summer, they started making the trails. They're finished now, and they are phenomenal. Oh, yep, see that thing right there? That's what I'm talking about. Had to hold it down. Well, my GoPro's acting up now. My GoPro 10, the best camera I own, froze up on me. Tell you what, talk about not being prepared for today's video. Holy smokes, guys. I'm sorry, my apologies. Oh my gosh, I mean, seriously, what kind of idiot puts the gimbal stabilizer, well, the camera on backwards? I've done this probably 300-400 times, maybe 500. But anyway, where was I? I had to get my son to push the power button, because I got, since it's on backwards, the power button is kind of right up against the bar, and his fingers are smaller than mine. And we got people coming. And there's another dog. Son of a gun. Well, Kit, see how you do with another doggy here in a little bit. So if you do decide to come up here, make sure you have some tick spray, because you will get ticks on you in these woods. Yes, you will. And if you do decide to come up here, that's if you're in the Cincinnati area, greater Cincinnati area. And if you do decide to come up here, go to Gladys Russell. Now, we do have some people coming, and I'm betting you anything, I wonder if they're from around here. When we get outside, we'll see by their license plates. I'm betting you they're not. Which, this place welcomes everybody. I want everybody to enjoy this like we do. The person's walking on the other side of the pond. I don't think they're from out of state. They seem to know what they're doing, unless they're following a trail. So we're going to go right back down through the trail. But yeah, our little secret's out. We knew it would be. Hell, the first video I made of this place, I knew then some of the people that's local that watch my videos, I knew then it would be out. Can you see right there? Look at that. God, I feel like an idiot. You know, I don't even want to air this video because of that. But I need to air this video because today is my Wednesday. This goes up 2 days from now. I don't have a video prepared for Friday. So I have no choice but air this one. Because tomorrow I ain't going to be able to make a video. I'm too busy. Oh my gosh. Amateur. But yeah. Our little secret's out, and they had it on the local news. And I do believe my brother's wife is how she found this place. I did tell my brother, I said, if you want a place that's almost as nice down the road, a place called Gladys Russell. I also told him, I said, there's places everywhere in our county, and even outside our county. I can tell you a lot of places that are hidden gems. I do believe Angie and I have found every single one of them. Here, walk through the dark again. Yeah, most of these shots are going to be of me. I won't be showing scenery because when I turn this thing around, it's a little difficult since it is on wrong. So, sorry I won't be able to get much of Kid in here. Oh, there it goes again. See, I got to hold my hand back. If not, I pull it forward. There it is. Pull my hand back. God, I'm a fucking idiot. I am so embarrassed you guys gotta watch crap. Video crap like this. Even people like me that's been doing videos for 14 years, since 2010, we goof up. And I goofed up big. Got to the car. I noticed it was different. I noticed I put it on wrong. I said, well, maybe it wouldn't be a problem. Got to the car, got to location. I always get my camera ready. I was like, oh, crap. First thing I noticed was I wasn't able to turn it on. I was like, oh no. Then I noticed that. And I had just like, maybe I could tilt it back and maybe get the top part of me. I don't know. What do you think, kid? He don't care. He just wants to sniff. We're going to go out this way. We'll come out here and get the sign. And hopefully I was able to get the pond. And I'm going to make them two my thumbnail. So guys, if you're in the greater Cincinnati area, you want something fun to do on a weekend, or even if you have a vacation, come on out here. Come on out here and spend the day. You can basically grill, picnic, fish, hike. You can do all these wonderful things. Roman's Wildlife Refuge. It ain't that far from the other Wildlife Refuge. So, only thing I ask, if you come out here and spend the day, and next time you come out, hit Gladys Russell. Okay? Gladys Russell has a huge lake. It much bigger than that lake, and it's quite beautiful in its own way. The only thing I don't like about Gladys Russell is their trails are not marked. Alright guys, oh shoot, this doesn't even have the name of it on here. I have to go up to the front. There you go guys, and there's the address at the bottom. Now you can find it. I'm hoping I was able to get that on there because I can't see. The sun was in my eyes, so I'm going to take that, Photoshop it by the lake. I don't know. Maybe put my gimbal stabilizer or my, I don't know. I put all kinds of stuff maybe in that thumbnail. Don't even know what I'm going to name the video. At least I don't have to edit you guys up when I get home like I did yesterday. Yeah, yesterday is when we did the last video at the Versailles State Park. So guys, we're probably going to take the long way home, maybe find something else to do. Till next time, thanks for watching. Sorry about the video being goofed up, but sometimes these things happen. Yeah, I guess I'm allowed to have a goof up here and there. It just shows you nothing's perfect. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.